this is Debbie here. So glad that you tuned into my channel, Southern Delight. Today I'm completing our Valentine's Day segment, and I'm going to show you how to do the melt and pour soaps. I've already downloaded the video where I did the Walmart haul, where I went grocery shopping this weekend and I picked up some cute little silicone molds, and I have been so busy making some soaps that actually look like chocolate. And these are them right here. And I wanted to share this technique with you. And then here is a platter full of them that actually look and smell like chocolate. And now if you're making these up to give out to your friends or to co-workers or even to your loved ones, you want to be sure to probably put something on the packet that says these are soaps. They are not edible, because they do smell and look a lot like chocolate. So I just wanted to give you a sneak peek into that, and we're going to go on and get started on our segment where I'm going to actually show you how I made these little guys. And I showed you these cute little boxes that I actually picked up in my Walmart haul as well. Oh, and I've done so many.
Oh, chocolate.
Excuse me 1 minute, my husband came in.
Hey.
No, that's not chocolate. No, it's not chocolate. Those are soaps, dear.
That's
you
kind of
cannot eat those. Those are soaps.
Well, that ain't really much.
Like I said, you want to be sure to make sure that you let them know that this is not chocolate. This is soaps.
Back outside.
Bye, dear. But, all right, we're going to go ahead and get started, and I'm going to show you how I made these guys. Okay, what I've started is I'm using the double butter soap again. I got this from Michael's. You can also pick this up at Hobby Lobby. And I'm only using like a 2x2 square, and I cut them up into chunks, and I'm getting ready to melt those down. And remember to melt it down in 30-second intervals. I'm also using some red dye that I picked up from Michael's and some green dye that I picked up as well. And for a little twist on this, I'm going to use some natural ingredients. I'm going to use a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring extract for the scent in it. So, but we're going to make these, we're going to try to make a chocolate brown. So, we're going to go ahead and melt this down and pour it all in there and get our molds ready to harden. And always remember to use your rubbing alcohol at the end to spray at the to spray it once it's all laid in here. That helps keep the air bubbles out. So I'll be right back and I'll show you the end product there. Okay, as you can see, I have my molds drying, and to achieve this milk chocolate look, and then I played around with the colors a little bit and made a dark chocolate. You'll want to use, I think there's several ways you can make brown, but I used a combination of purple and yellow. You have to be very generous with the purple, and just mix to your liking or what have you. You can just play around with it, but there are several colors that you can make brown with. I think red and green, and then add yellow. That will make brown as well. But give me a few minutes. I got to let this set for probably about 30 minutes. I may let these set for about an hour because they're thicker. And I'll show you what I do with them.